Welcome to RsN Hospitality. And today, we're tackling an essential topic for everyone who loves food: food poisoning. We'll explore its causes, symptoms, and most importantly, how you can prevent it in your kitchen or workplace. Let's dive in. Food poisoning is a common but serious illness caused by consuming contaminated food. Harmful bacteria, viruses, parasites, or even chemicals can make their way into the food we eat, leading to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach cramps, and fever. While food poisoning can happen to anyone, it's completely preventable with the right precautions. The causes of food poisoning vary, but here are the main culprits. 1. Bacteria such as Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria. 2. Viruses like norovirus can spread through improper handling. 3. Parasites such as Giardia may contaminate undercooked food. 4. Chemical contamination, often due to pesticides or accidental cleaning agent exposure. Understanding these causes helps us take proactive steps to avoid contamination.
Here's how to prevent food poisoning. First, wash your hands regularly. Use soap and warm water before and after handling food. Next, cook food thoroughly. High-risk foods like poultry should reach internal temperatures of at least 75 degrees Celsius. Also, avoid cross-contamination. Use separate utensils and boards for raw and cooked foods, and store food properly. Refrigerate perishable items below 5 degrees Celsius and label them to track their freshness. Remember, these simple steps can go a long way in ensuring food safety.
Let's clear up some common misconceptions. First myth: reheating food kills all bacteria. Fact: some bacteria produce heat-resistant toxins that reheating won't remove. Second myth: food poisoning only happens from meat. Fact: raw fruits, vegetables, and even water can be contaminated.
Food poisoning is no joke, but prevention is in your hands. Follow these tips to protect yourself and those around you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to RsN Hospitality for more insights into hospitality and food safety. Stay safe and see you in the next video.